कौन सा एग्जाम्पल आए थे? आई थिंक सेक्शन बी आए ना हम लोग. सेक्शन बी के फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, विच इज इफ यू सेव ₹1 टुडे to the next day for the succeeding day and so on, what will be your total savings in 12 days? ओके, तो बहुत ही अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग वाला क्वेश्चन है. ओके, क्या बोला है? अगर आप कुछ सेव कर रहे हो तो उसमें से आज आपने फर्स्ट डे है आपका, तो फर्स्ट डे पे आपने ₹1 जो है वो सेव किया. सेकेंड डे पे आपने सेव किया ₹2. Okay, on the second day you saved ₹2. On the third day you saved ₹4 and so on. Okay, so section B का first one, which is if you save ₹1 today, मतलब फर्स्ट डे आपने ₹1 सेव किए, सेकेंड डे आपने ₹2 सेव किए, थर्ड डे आपने ₹4 सेव किए, ₹4 सेव किए. ओके, ऐसा आप हर डे पे ज्यादा ज्यादा करते गए. तो the question is succeeding day, what will be your total savings on the 12th day? So after completion of 12 days, तो इन सबका जो एडिशन है, मतलब टोटल जो सेविंग्स है आपकी, वो आपको पता करनी है कि कितनी है. सो टोटल सेविंग्स आफ्टर 12 डेज और ऑन 12 डेज. सो क्या होगा, ये देखो हमारे पास कौन सी सीरीज है, 1 + 2 + 4 ऐसे करके हमें कहां तक जाना है, 12th टर्म तक. सॉरी. ओके, तो क्या है 1 2 4, तो ये सारी हमें दिखाई दे रही है, ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन है, ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज है. तो हमारा जो A है विच इज 1 और R जो है कॉमन रेशियो विच इज 2/1 is 2, 4/2 is 2 एंड सो ऑन चलता जाएगा. तो R क्या है, ग्रेटर देन 1. सो नाउ वी नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ S12 which is A into R⁻12 minus 1 divided by R-1, which is equals to A is 1, R is 2, 2⁻12 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Now what is 2⁻12? Two raised to 12. 4096. So it is 4096 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So after 12 days of saving this type 1 2 4 and so on, तो 12 days के बाद आपके पास जो भी मनी होगी which is 4095 rupees you have saved on the 12th day. Okay, तो ऐसे आप अगर सेविंग करना चाहे तो अच्छी सेविंग हो जाएगी. 12th डे तक तो 4095 रुपीज सेव हो जाते हैं. ओके, नंबर 2, next example which says, okay, first one of number 2, just how many terms of the series 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 and so on must be taken so that the sum is equals to 364. SN is 364. Okay, तो हमें फाइंड करना है the value of n. What is n? We have the series which is 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 and so on. We can see that the series is in GP, geometric progression series है. Right? What is our A? A is 1 and R is 3. We want to find the n. Sn is equals to r क्या है, greater than 1, so Sn is equals to a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is Sn? Sn is 364, which is equals to a is 1 into r is 3 raised to n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, which implies that 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into 3 64, कितना होता है? 364 into 2, बोलो.
728.
Yes, it's 728 is equals to 3 raised to n minus 1, which gives us 3 raised to n is equals to 728 plus 1, which is 729. And 3 की कितनी पावर होगी तो हमें 729 मिलेगा, which is 3 raised to, बोलो n क्या होगा? बोलो. n is equals to, yes, it's 6. Okay, so 3 raised to 6 is 729. So from this we have n is equals to 6, which is our answer. Next one, number 2, which is how many terms of the series 2 plus 4 plus 8 and so on must be taken so as to have their sum equals to 32,766. 32,766 is equals to Sn. तो हमें n फाइंड करना है. सिंपल से जैसे आगे किया वैसे ही करना है. We have a is equals to 2, r is equals to 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and Sn is equals to, again r is greater than 1, so a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, which implies that Sn क्या है, हमें दिया हुआ है 32,766, which is equals to a is 2 into r is 2, so 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So what we have is 32,766 divided by 2 क्या हो जाएगा?
16,384.
16,384. 84. 83.
Yes, ma'am. 83. એટલે plus 1 કરાય.
83 is equals to 2 raised to n minus 1, which gives us 2 raised to n is 16,384. Now, what will be n? क्या होगा n?
And 14.
Yes, n is equals to 14, which gives us 2 raised to n is equals to 2 raised to 14. From this we can write that n is equals to 14. So our answer is n is equals to 14 for this series. Okay. Next one is number 3. Which says if 5xyz, 5xyz and 405 are the first 5 terms of a GP, कि GP की जो है first 5 terms है. Find the value of x, y, z. Obvious चीज है, हमें x, y and z we have to find out. Okay, what will we do? क्या कर सकते हैं? Any guesses? So, यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है कि फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स है. फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स मतलब ये हो जाएगी a r square, a r cube and a r raised to 4. So now we have a is equals to 5 and a r raised to 4 is equals to 405. So putting value of a, we have r raised to 4 is equals to 405 divided by 5, which is equals to 81. So now r raised to 4 is equals to 81. तो r is equals to क्या हो जाएगा? 3. Simple.
3.
R is equals to 3. So now we have the value of r, we have the value of a. So we can find the x, y and z. Find out x is equals to ar, y is equals to ar square and z is equals to ar cube, and tell me the value. क्या आएगा?
Then
हाँ
5, 15, 45 and 135.
yes 15, 45 and 135. Yes, we have the answers of x, y and z. It is 15, 45 and 135. Next, number 4 and first one of the fourth is the common ratio. Common ratio is r. Last term of this last term is an and sum of a GP are 3, 486 and 728 respectively. Find the first term and the number of terms. Okay, so what we have to find is a as well as n. Okay, so we have to find a and n from the given values of r, an and sn respectively. So here we have r is equals to 3, an is equals to 486 and sn is equals to 728. Now we know the formula. ये सब क्या है? In GP. So we have the formula of an as well as sn. So what is an? An is equals to a into r raised to n minus 1. Okay, and we have an which is equals to 486 is equals to a. नहीं है, हमें फाइंड करना है. r is 3 raised to n minus 1. So a into 3 raised to n minus 1 is 486. So tell this equation number 1. Now Sn, we have also a formula of Sn. R is equals to 3 which is greater than 1. So we can directly put that a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now what is Sn? Sn is 728 is equals to a into r raised to n minus a. हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं divided by r minus 1. R is 3. So we will put this 3 minus 1. So 728 into 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 728 multiply by 2.
1456.
Yes, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ 1456 is equals to. Now see here we have a into r raised to n. तो मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ a into 3 raised to n minus a, which is equals to a into 3 raised to n minus 1 into 3. ये हो जाएगा 3 raised to n minus 1 plus 1 is n. Okay, minus a. तो इन सभी में से क्या निकला? अब ये देखो ये क्या है? a into 3 raised to n minus 1. From equation number 1 we have the value of a into 3 raised to n minus 1 which is equals to 486. So we can write that which is equals to 3 into 486 minus a. Right? Now what is 3 into 486? We can write that a is equals to 3 into 486 minus 1456. ये बोलो क्या हो रहा है? Multiplication.
1458.
Okay, so it is 1458 minus 1456 and which is equals to 2. So now we have the value of a which is 2. Okay, जो हमें find करनी थी as before. Okay, now किसके अंदर रखेंगे तो सबसे इजी रहेगा? ऑब्वियस सी चीज है, इसी में 486 इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में रख देते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ a. सो व्हाट वी हैव इज 486 is equals to a into 3 raised to n minus 1. 486 is equals to a is 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1. So therefore 3 raised to n minus 1 is equals to 486 divided by 2.
Ma'am, 243.
Yes, it's 243. So this implies 3 raised to n minus 1 is equals to
Ma'am, 3 raised to 5.
yes, it's 3 raised to 5 which will give us n minus 1 is equals to 5, and from this we can write that n is equals to 6. Okay, so we have the value of a as well as value of n.
Ma'am, एक doubt है.
बोल.
Last page करो. એમાં ધનુષ્ય ખબર ના પડી 3 raised to n minus 1.
Ah,
ના 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 check છેલ્લે.
our last one.
હા.
Okay. See. 3 minus 1 એટલે આ 2 અહીંયા આગળ જશે તો 728 into 2 is 1456. Now we have a into a as a multiplication આપણે કરી દીધું ને r ની વેલ્યુ 3 મૂકી દઈશું. So what we have is a into 3 raised to n minus a અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દઈએ તો મળે આપણને. Okay, so we have this a into 3 raised to n minus a. હવે 3 raised to n છે એટલે સપોઝ હું લખું 3 cube તો એ 3 cube is equals to 3 square into 3 લખાય.
હા મેં લખાય.
Okay, so same એ જ રીતે મેં 3 raised to n ને 3 raised to n minus 1 into 3 કર્યું એટલે શું મળશે 3 raised to n minus 1 plus 1 which is equals to 3 raised to n again. Okay, so બસ આપણે એને સ્પ્લિટ કરી દીધા જસ્ટ કેમ કે આપણી પાસે ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1 છે જે આપણી પાસે a into 3 raised to n minus 1 એની વેલ્યુ છે which is 486. Okay, so to put this value we'll split this 3 raised to n into parts. 3 raised to n minus 1 into 3. Okay, now a into 3 raised to n minus 1 is 486. તો એ વેલ્યુ આપણે અહીંયા મૂકી દઈશું તો શું મળશે 3 into 486 minus a. તો એના પરથી આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ a ની વેલ્યુ મળી જશે કેમ કે 3 into 486 minus a is equals to 1456 છે આપણી પાસે ડાયરેક્ટ. સમજાયું?
હા મેં ખબર પડી ગઈ.
Ayan, why so late? Okay, so next one is number 2 of 4. In a GP, the sum of first n terms, which is Sn, is 4095. Common ratio, which is R, is 2, and the last term, which is An, is 2048. Find n. Okay, जैसे आगे किया वैसे ही करना है. We know that An is equals to A into R raised to n minus 1. From this an is equals to 2048 is equals to a into 2 raised to n minus 1. Give this equation number 1. Now Sn is equals to 4095. Okay, and Sn is equals to a. R kya hai? R is 2 which is greater than 1, so we can write that r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So 4095 is equals to a into r raised to n minus a. R minus 1 which is 2 minus 1 is 1. So we can write that 4095 is equals to a into r is 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2 minus a. Now by putting the value of a into 2 raised to n minus 1 is 2048 into 2 minus a 4095. What will be the value of a? Bolo.
And a 1 આવે છે.
Yes, a is equals to 1. So What we have to find is n. So put the value of a is equals to 1 in this equation. What we have is 2048 is equals to 2 raised to n minus 1. 2 raised to n minus 1 is 2048 is 2 raised to
And 2 raised to 11.
yes, it's 2 raised to 11. So from this we can write that n minus 1 is equals to 11 and n is equals to 12. So we have the value of n which is 12. Next one, number 5. The sum of the first and the third terms of a GP is 15. क्या बोला गया? The sum of the first and the third term, मतलब a plus ar square is 15 and the fifth and seventh term is 215. Okay, fifth term is ar raised to 4 plus seventh term is ar raised to 6 is 240. Determine the sequence. Okay, हमें इतना दिया हुआ है और जो sequence है वो फाइंड करनी है. Sorry. What we can find? Okay, from this a plus ar square is equals to 15. a कॉमन निकलेगा, अंदर क्या बचेगा? 1 plus r square is equals to 15. And from this what is common? a r raised to 4 अंदर बचेगा 1 plus r square is equals to 240. Right? अब क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों का जो है वो रेशियो ले लेते हैं या फिर इसी की वैल्यू रख देते हैं. क्या है? a इंटू 1 प्लस आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 15 है. यहाँ पे a भी है, 1 प्लस आर स्क्वायर भी है. So we can write that r raised to 4 into 15 is equals to 240. From that r raised to 4 is 240 divided by 15. r is 2. Yes. So r is to 4 is 16. So we have r is equals to 2. Okay. So from this क्या फाइंड करनी है? सीरीज फाइंड करनी है हमें. सिर्फ सीक्वेंस जो है पूरी जीपी लिखनी है. तो क्या हो जाएगा? ए आर स्क्वायर ए आर क्यूब एंड सो ऑन, सारी की सारी सीरीज लिखनी है हमें. What is a now? So here we can find the a from this, which is a into 1 plus 2 square is 4 divide is equals to 15. So a is equals to 15 divided by 5 which is 3. तो हमें मिल गया a और r दोनों. तो a is 3, r is 2, तो 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 into 2 is 48 and so on. So this is our answer. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48 and so on. Next, number 6. The second term of a GP is B. Second term is A2 or we can write that AR is equals to B. And the common ratio is R. R हमारा common ratio है वो हमें पता है. If the product of the first three terms of this GP, okay, product of first three terms, that is A into AR into AR square is 64, then find B. और B क्या है हमारा? AR. तो सिंपल सी चीज है, ये हमने पहले किए हुए. क्या होगा? a cube into r cube is equals to 64. This will give us AR is equals to 4. So AR is equals to B. तो हमारा आंसर आ गया 4. Number 7. उसका first which says divide 42 in 3 parts such that the parts form a GP. Okay, 3 टर्म्स मतलब पार्ट्स फॉर्म अ जीपी, तो a by r, a और ar हो जाएंगे हमारे 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ अ जीपी एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज 52, मतलब इन सभी का जो एडिशन है तो a by r plus a plus ar is 42 and the product is 512. So we can write that a by r into ar is 512. r cancel हो जाएगा, क्या मिलेगा, a cube is equals to 512. This gives us a is equals to whose cube is 512?
8.
Yes, it's 8. So a is equals to 8. From the this a is equals to 8, we can write that 8 upon r plus 8 r is equals to 42, and we can write that 8 upon r plus 8r is equals to 42 minus 8 is 36, sorry 34. क्या होगा, 2 will be common, so 4 upon r plus 4r is equals to 17. From that we have the equation which is 4 plus 4r square is equals to 17r, and the main equation is 4r square minus 17r plus 4 is equals to 0. From this we can write that 4r square minus 16r minus r plus 4 is equals to 0, which gives us 4r. To r minus 4 minus 1, r minus 4 is equals to 0. From this we can write that r is equals to 4 or r is equals to 1 by 4. So now we have the value of r. Okay, two values of r and from this we can find the value of, sorry, a भी है r भी है. Tell me 3 numbers, कौन कौन से नंबर होंगे.
मैं 2, 8 and 32.
4
uh,
ना था ना, we have a which is 8. ऐसे नहीं, पहले नंबर लिख दो, क्या है, a by r, a into r. तो we can find the values. a क्या है हमारे पास, 8. So 8 by 4 is 2. 8 itself, 8 into 4 which is 32. उसका उल्टा होगा, अगर 1 by 4 है तो 8 divided by 1 by 4 is 8 into 4, 32, 8 and 2. So we have two numbers, this 32, 8 or 2 or 2, 8, 32. समझ में आया? तो 4 माने 4 like you, sorry. Okay, the 2, 8, 32 is correct. Next one is number 2, which says that find 3 real numbers of GP where sum is 30. Same लेना है, a by r plus ar is 30 and product is 216. चलो ये आप लोग करो, मुझे a और r दोनों की वैल्यू बोलो, बहुत इजी है. A is 6, correct. R What about R?
Then
हाँ
અહીંયા r square minus 4r minus 1 25 तो के लिए है
R square minus 4R
minus 4r
हाँ
minus 1
-1 आ जाएगा +1 आवे
क्यों +1
तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस ચાલી ગયા આપણે ચાલી ગયા ને
હા સાઈન જોઈના એટલે
તો પણ -1 હોય તો પણ સોલ્યુશન તો મળશે क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस ચાલી ગયા છે b² - 4ac કરો आयो यार
आया
what it is equals to 6 2 plus or minus √3 yes correct r is equals to 2 plus or minus √3 okay तो लिख दोगे a upon r a and a r क्या मिलेगा a is 6 okay तो 6 पहले किसके लिए 2 plus √3 ओके अब ये क्या होगा ऐसे तो लिखेंगे नहीं तो 2 minus √3 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर देंगे इनटू a क्या है हमारा 6 और a इंटू r विच इज 6 इंटू 2 plus √3 ये क्या हो जाएगा देखो 6 इंटू 2 minus √3 ये ऐसे ही रखते हैं 2 minus √3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 plus √3 2 minus √3 a square minus b square which is 2 square is 4 minus 3 which is 1 तो ये हो जाएगा 6 और ये 6 into 2 plus √3 ओके अब for r is equals to 2 minus √3 क्या होगा 6 upon 2 minus √3 यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2 plus √3 2 plus √3 6 and next one is 2 minus √3 तो देखो सेम ही मिल रहा है ये 4 minus 3 ही होगा तो फिर से 1 हो जाएगा तो 6 into 2 plus √3 6 and 6 into 2 minus √3 ओके समझ में आया ना नेक्स्ट वन is number 8 which is find the least value of n find the least value of n for which the sum 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube up to n terms is greater than 7000 थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन है लेकिन इजी है क्या पूछा गया है हमें n फाइंड करना है जो सबसे छोटा n है जिसके लिए जो इसका सम है वो ग्रेटर देन 7000 होगा। ओके तो सबसे पहले तो एस एन ही फाइंड कर लेते हैं। एस एन क्या होता है, a इंटू आर, देखो दिख रहा है हमें, आर क्या है 3, 3 स्क्वायर बाई 3 इज 3, 3 क्यूब बाई 3 स्क्वायर इज 3, तो आर इज 3, a इज 1 so a into 3 is greater than 1, so we can write that r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1। कि तो Sn क्या है, हमें 7000 से बड़ा लेना है तो 7000 ही अभी ले लेते हैं क्योंकि 1 प्लस तो आने वाला ही है। a is 1, r is 3 raised to n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, तो 7000 into 2 is 14000 which is equals to 3 raised to n minus 1, which gives us 14,000 plus 1 is equals to 3 raised to n, and from this we can write that 3 raised to n is 14,001 okay, अब ये बोलो क्या होगा यहाँ पे बोलो n क्या मिलेगा, थ्री की पावर चेक करो 3 रेस टू 1 तो नहीं हो सकता, 3 क्यूब भी नहीं हो सकता, 3 रेस टू 4 भी नहीं हो सकता, 3 रेस टू 5 क्या होता है, व्हाट इज 3 रेस टू 5, अभी हमने किया था
243।
यस इट्स 243, बट मतलब ये तो काफी दूर है इससे, तो 3 रेस टू 7 पे चले जाते हैं 3 रेस टू 7 क्या होता है
2187
2187, मतलब इससे भी काफी दूर है, तो 3 रेस टू 8 भी ले लेते हैं 2187 इंटू 3 क्या होता है 6561 तो ये भी काफी दूर है। 3 रेस टू 9 19683 मतलब ये काफी बढ़ गया ना, हमें कितना चाहिए नियर टू 14,000 ओके मतलब 3 रेस टू 8 जो है वो 6561 है, जो काफी दूर है फ्रॉम दी 14,000। कि अगर 3 रेस टू 8 हम लेते हैं n इज इक्वल्स टू 8, तो n इज इक्वल्स टू 8 जो है अगर यहाँ पे हम रख दे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 3 raised to 8 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, 3 raised to 8 is 6561 minus 1 divided by 2, तो ये जो है वो 7000 तो कैसे भी नहीं होगा, हमें क्या चाहिए 7000 तो मिनिमम उसकी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, ओके 7000 से ग्रेटर देन वैल्यू चाहिए हमें, 7000 से लेस देन वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, तो ये तो मिलेगा नहीं हमें। ओके अब हम लेते हैं 3 raised to 9, तो 3 raised to 9 अगर लेंगे हम यहाँ पे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 19,683 minus 1 divided by 2, तो ये कुछ 9000 के करीब हमें आंसर मिलेगा राइट लेकिन द मेन थिंग इज कि ये जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 7000 हमें मिलेगा, ओके वो लेस देन 7000 नहीं होगा, तो दिस इज आवर आंसर। समझ में आया क्या होगा आंसर, हमें क्या फाइंड करना था n, सो n इज इक्वल्स टू 9 इज आवर आंसर, हमें ऐसे लीस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना था, छोटा से छोटा नंबर जिसकी वैल्यू 7000 से बड़ी हो, मतलब n इज इक्वल्स टू 8 के लिए हमें जो वैल्यू मिल रही है वो लेस देन 7000 है और n इक्वल्स टू 9 के लिए हमें ग्रेटर देन 7000 मिल रही है तो हमें वही वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी, सबसे छोटा नंबर जिसकी वैल्यू जो है वो 7000 से ग्रेटर देन। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 9 which says that the sum of three numbers in geometric progression is 70, तो फिर से a upon r plus ar is 70 if the two extremes be multiplied each by 4 ठीक है, मतलब two extremes कौन सा है a by r and ar, तो इन दोनों को हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते, तो a by r मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 एंड ar मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, ये एंड देन मीन बाय 5, तो उसके बीच वाला जो है a उसको हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते, तो अब हमें 3 नंबर मिल गए, 4a by r, 5a एंड 4ar। are in AP, find the numbers। तो अब ये जो हमें 3 मिले इसको हम बोल देते हैं x, y एंड z। तो ये x, y, z जो है वो AP में है, क्योंकि ये जो हमारे थे a by r, a एंड ar वो किस में थे, are in GP, ये GP में थे, ये जो है वो AP में है। तो अब हमें फाइंड क्या करना है, the 3 numbers। तो हमें पता क्या है, इन तीनों का जो एडिशन है वो 70 है, तो इसको नंबर 1 बोल देते हैं। सेकेंड थिंग हमें ये पता है कि ये तीनों जो है वो AP में है, AP में है तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2y = x + z, तो इसी को लिखते हैं ऐसे, 5a is y, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 × 5a = 4a upon r plus 4ar, which implies that 10a is equals to sorry 4 upon r a plus 4r into a, तो a जो है दोनों साइड से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ से 2 भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 5, 2 and 2 रह जाएगा। तो what we have is after taking LCM, 5r is equals to 2 plus 2r, okay, from this we can write that sorry यहाँ पे r ऑलरेडी है तो ये हो जाएगा 2r²। तो अब हमारे पास क्या है, 2r² minus 5r plus 2 is equals to 0, ये हमारी इक्वेशन हो गई। फ्रॉम दिस बोलो r इक्वल्स टू क्या मिल रहा है,
r equal to 2 and r equal to 1/2,
yes, r is equals to 2 and 1/2। for both of them we will find the value of a from this one, a by r plus a ar is equals to 70। so for r is equals to 2, what we have is a by r plus a plus ar is equals to 70, okay। now for r is equals to 1/2, same thing we have a by r plus a plus ar is equals to 70, okay। तो अब यहाँ पे हम वैल्यू रखते हैं r की, which is a by 2 plus a into 2 is equals to 70। यहाँ पे भी हम 1/2 रखेंगे तो a upon 1/2 plus a into 1/2 is equals to 70, तो ये 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2a plus a/2 is equals to 70। तो ये दोनों सेम मिले हमें, राइट। तो हम सिर्फ एक के साथ ही जाते हैं, दोनों के आंसर तो सेम ही मिलने वाला है। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 एलसीएम ले लेंगे तो ये a plus 2a plus 4a is equals to 70 into 2 is 140, which implies, कुछ मिस्टेक हुई क्या, यस,
okay,
1/2 क्या करते हैं, चलो ऐसे कर लेते हैं, a कॉमन, 1/2 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 70। so from this we can write that a 1 plus 2 plus 4 divide by 2 is equals to 70। ये हो जाएगा a is equals to 70 into 2 by 7, ये हो जाएगा 10। from this can write that a is equals to 20 from both of this। so our values are a by r, a and ar, r। for r is equals to 2, what we have is 20 by 2 is 10, 20 और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 20 into 2 is 40, और for a r is equals to 1/2 we have 40, 20 and 10. So these are the numbers. Next, number 10. This beginning from the first, how many terms of the series 85, 80, 85 plus 87 plus 89 plus 91 and so on should be taken to make their sum equal to the sum of the first 8 terms of the series 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 108 up to 8 term. Okay? तो इसका जो Sn है और ये S8 है ये दोनों इक्वल हो तो n क्या होगा ये हमें फाइंड करना है. ये सिंपल सी चीज है. ये हमारा Sn यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है, ये हमारा S8 हो जाएगा. तो S8 इसके लिए हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. देखो 12 डिवाइड बाय 4 इज 3, 36 डिवाइड बाय 12 इज 3. So we have r is equals to 3, a is equals to 4. So we can write that a into r raised to 8 minus 1 divided by r minus 1, as we know that r is greater than 1, which is equals to a is 4, r is 3 raised to 8 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 into 3 raised to 8 minus 1. बोलो क्या होगा? क्या आया? 13,120. Okay. So now what we want to find out, Sn is equals to 85 plus 87 plus 89 and so on. वो क्या हो जाएगा? Same 13,120. तो ये क्या है? 85, 87, 89. ये 87 minus 85 is 2. 89 minus 87 is 2. तो ये किसमें हो गया? AP में. तो AP की फॉर्मूला क्या है? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n फाइंड करना है. Sn की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 13,120. n by 2. 2a1 is 85 plus n minus 1 और d क्या है हमारा 2. तो ये सॉल्व करके n की वैल्यू फाइंड कर देना. ओके, तो ये जो कंप्लीट करना है आपका है होमवर्क, हम ये कर लेंगे. राइट, नेक्स्ट नंबर 11. okay, which is a sum of rupees 312 is divided among 4 persons A, B, C, D. मतलब A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 312. Okay, the amounts received by them form a GP. तो ये सारे किस में है? Geometric progression में है. If A and D together receives rupees 50 to 52, so A plus D is equals to 252. Find the amount received by the each separately. तो हमें A, B, C, D सभी की वैल्यू, सभी की जो अमाउंट है वो फाइंड करनी है. अब ये जो है चारों के चारों इन जीपी में है, सभी के सभी. तो हम ले लेते हैं A is equals to A, B is equals to A into R, C is equals to AR square and D is equals to AR cube. तो ये जो है वो 312 है. तो इसके ऊपर से हम लिख सकते हैं A plus AR square plus AR cube is equals to 312. Now we know that A plus D, which is A plus AR cube, A plus AR cube is equals to 252. Okay, so we can write that AR plus AR square is equals to 312 minus 252. सो ए आर इंटू क्या हो जाएगा 1 प्लस आर इज इक्वल टू 312 माइनस 252 कितना होता है इज 60। okay, तो ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 1। यहाँ पे हमें a कॉमन निकलेगा, अंदर क्या बचेगा 1 प्लस आर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 252। तो इसके ऊपर से हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं इनका रेशियो लेके कि a इंटू 1 प्लस आर क्यूब डिवाइड बाय ए आर इंटू 1 प्लस आर इज इक्वल टू 60। 1 प्लस आर क्यूब की फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है राइट, ये क्या हो जाएगा a इंटू 1 प्लस आर क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय ए r into 1 plus r is equals to 252 divided by 60, which implies that a 1 plus r cube equals to हम लिख सकते हैं 1 plus r into r square minus r plus 1 divided by ar into r plus 1 is equals to 252 by 60। तो a into 1 plus r जो है वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, which gives us ये देखो हो जाएगा 60r square minus 60r plus 60 is equals to 252r। मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक की, हाँ ये 60r हो जाएगा। ओके तो which will give us 60r square minus 60r plus 250 minus 252 कितना होगा 312 शायद से, so minus 312r प्लस 60 इज इक्वल टू 0। तो अब ये कंप्लीट कर लोगे, r की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लोगे। ओके सो दिस इज एन होमवर्क, कंप्लीट कर लेना, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ r। नाउ आई हैव लेक्चर इन स्टैंडर्ड 12 सो वी हैव टू स्टॉप हियर।